buenas. Three brothers are roofing on another residential slate roof leak repair inspection. So here we go with our inspection. We came into the house and we try to see what are those leaks, and based of those leaks, we will go up to the roof and try to identify those problems. Here we going. Okay, after I did my inspection inside and see where are those leaks, and now I'm coming up to the roof. All right, so one of the I just find it is this one. Someone tried to do like a slate repair, and they installed this slate. We think it's like too small, and we can see the wood right there. That is leak. Okay, that's one problem I find already based off my inspection. In the meantime, it's other slate like a slide down, and it's bad, it's old, yeah, but no problem. We can replace those slate, pull her off those bad one, and install new one for sure. Okay, and I find another tile right here. It looks like it came all the way from up there. That's what it looks like it came from. All right, in the meantime, I find that those tile, the slate tile, is in bad condition here. So yeah, we have a lot of tiles in this house. And I just find another tile which has like big gap right here. It's a little bit difficult to see on the camera, but there is a big hole in here. It looks like the wood is rotted, so yeah, but no good, no problem. Three brothers are roofing the solution. So we have a tile here, and as we go in, the edge looks okay, and I think it's another one right here. Yeah, that one is okay. Okay, and this area no good. So basically those tiles need to be like push up and add some copper support and good, but like this one I think it has to be replaced. In the meantime, the owner mentioned that he got some problem close to the window, and so that problem is coming from the box garret, because this junky garret, the flashing cement, it's old, so two way to fix it. The best way, install new rubber along the box garret, or flashing cement with a fiberglass membrane. It will work, but it's not a long-term solution. So yeah, here we're going with our inspection. Okay, and I find other tiles right here. Okay, they are flashing cement, and yeah, no good, so that one has to be replaced. Okay, and I have to go in with my inspection now. I have to go here, and oh, there is another one. Yeah, the only thing is the owner doesn't want to install shingles, so yeah, he trying to keep his slate roof, so we will do the best to give him a solution for this one. Okay, so right now I'm on around the chimney, and I see this chimney has no more crown, the concrete crown, so basically it will need new crown. Yeah, because we can see the hole is go right through, so no good. It will require a new crown, no problem. Three brothers are roofing the solution. Yeah, so here we go with our inspection. Okay, so as we can see, those tile is started like a scrambling or flaking, as you wanna call, because it's old. Yeah, but no problem. We just replace those tile and we can make this slate roof good for another 10-12 years with no problem. So yeah, we have to keep going with our inspection. Okay, this area it looks really bad. Okay, and right here we see this tile is shot. That's 100% need to be replaced. Yeah, right here it's really bad. Previous roofer they applied flashing cement, and right here it looks really bad. Yeah, but no problem. We can fix that one. I have to give him an estimation and see what's his decision. And yeah, it's but it's a lot of bad tile in this area, and someone tried to do some repair there. Yeah. Okay, and it looks like they tried to install aluminum uh, along the hip, but this aluminum is already damaged. That's no good. Yeah, right here. Yeah, it's already no good. It's right here, still holding. Right here, it's okay. Yeah, a lot of things going on this slate roof. Okay, and the base of the leak on the rear section of the house, it's we can see on the copper it has hole. We can see the hole right here because the copper is getting old and it's getting some holes. Yeah, we can see here. And so basic, this is on this valley. Usual, we add flashing cement with a fiberglass membrane, or we implement a new copper. Either way it will work. Copper, install new copper, it will be the long-term project. Flashing cement, it will give 5 to 10 years life on the copper, because usually the flashing cement it will start peeling off after 5 to 6 years. Okay, and I'm keep going with my inspection. Yeah, so this is terrible slate repair. They did it right here. Yeah, no problem. We can fix this one 100%. Okay, so today we are in Passaic County, uh, in New Jersey, Patterson. Yeah, it's really bad. No problem. Yeah, so I'm done with my inspection. Okay, so yeah, done with our inspection. So that's it for today. See you guys next time. Chop chop.